Have you ever noticed that some people seem to get richer every year, while others work just as hard, but never build real wealth? The difference often isn't how much money they earn. It's how they choose to spend it. Today, we're looking at 10 common purchases that often keep people from reaching their financial goals. This isn't about judging anyone or saying you should never enjoy your money. It's about understanding the difference between spending that creates temporary happiness and spending that builds long-term wealth. Let's get started. The first purchase is expensive cars. Many people buy a brand new luxury car to impress others, but the reality is that most new cars lose a significant portion of their value within the first few years. Wealthy people often understand that a reliable car can serve the same purpose while allowing them to invest the difference. Second, designer clothing. Looking good is important, but constantly buying expensive brands just for status can quietly drain your finances. Financially successful people usually care more about value, quality, and long-term goals than expensive labels. Third, upgrading to the newest smartphone every year. Technology changes quickly, but replacing a perfectly good phone every year rarely improves your financial future. Many wealthy people keep using devices until they truly need an upgrade. Fourth, luxury watches. A watch tells time whether it costs $50 or $5,000. Instead of spending large amounts on status symbols, many financially successful people prefer putting that money into investments that can grow over time. Fifth, high-interest debt. Using credit responsibly can be helpful, but carrying expensive debt means paying extra money month after month. Reducing high-interest debt is often one of the smartest financial decisions a person can make. Number 6. Chasing quick riches. Many people spend money hoping for instant success instead of building wealth patiently. Long-term investing and consistent saving may not be exciting, but they have helped many people grow their finances over time. Number 7. Impulse shopping. Buying things simply because they're on sale or because of emotions can slowly damage a budget. Taking a little time before making a purchase often leads to better financial decisions. Number 8. Buying things just to impress other people. True wealth isn't about looking rich. It's about having financial security, freedom, and peace of mind. Financially successful people often spend less time trying to impress others and more time building their future. Number 9. Paying for subscriptions you rarely use. Small monthly charges may not seem like much, but over the years they can add up to a surprising amount. Reviewing your subscriptions regularly can help you keep more of your money. And finally, number 10. Constantly choosing liabilities over assets. Liabilities usually take money out of your pocket, while assets have the potential to generate income or increase in value over time. This simple difference has a huge impact on long-term wealth. Building wealth isn't about being perfect. It's about making slightly better financial decisions every single day. Small improvements, repeated consistently, can produce remarkable results over time. Before making your next purchase, ask yourself one simple question. Will this help me look wealthy today, or help me become wealthier in the future? That single question can completely change the way you think about money. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more videos about personal finance, investing, and building long-term wealth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.